Alright guys, so welcome back to another episode of recreating viral AI TikTok videos, where we basically recreate all the viral AI videos that you see on TikTok, and I show you the exact method to recreate them for absolutely free without paying a single dollar. So for today's video, I basically picked this TikTok channel Paper Mosquito, where this guy basically create AI fruit videos, but the mosquito version. So we have the whole mosquito family, mosquito mom, mosquito dad, mosquito team, like maybe his mosquito friends and all that. So these kind of content looks really interesting, and it's really engaging. And you guys can see this channel has already posted maybe 10-15 videos, and it has already gained 43,000 followers with 1.3 million likes. And some of his popular videos are on 3 million, 2.1 million, 1.5 million. It's really clear people are really loving these kind of AI fruit videos, which are like mosquito version, you can say as well. So today we're going to be recreating one of its videos. So first of all, let me just show you a reference video that we will be recreating today, okay?
Dad, I don't want to be a mosquito anymore.
What the? This is a mosquito family only. Never say that again.
But I don't feel like a mosquito.
You better get.
So yeah, we'll be recreating this video, but obviously without the swear words and everything. If you want to include swear words, that totally up to you, but I won't because of the community guidelines and everything. So I'll be recreating this exact version, and if you want, you can change the story and everything. You can change the characters, but I'll be doing just exactly that's for your reference. So without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna download this TikTok, head over to Google Gemini, and simply start by uploading your video right over here inside of Google Gemini. Just like that, I'm gonna upload my video, and then I'm gonna type in my prompt that, can you analyze this video and tell me the story and characters of the video, of this video, okay? And I'm gonna click on submit. All right, and then it's gonna go ahead and basically analyze the whole story, all the characters in the video for me. And the characters it's saying is young mosquito protagonist, a teenage mosquito who feels out of place with his identity. He despises being a blood-sucking mosquito and strongly desires to transition into a bee. Yeah, that's exactly. Then we have dad mosquito, mom mosquito, doctor mosquito. Okay, so story summary is family conflict. The video opens at a dinner table where the young mosquito confesses to his parents that he no longer a mosquito because he doesn't feel like one. Then we have escalation and medical consultation, forgery and surgery. Then kind of outcome. Okay, so now this is done, the story is done, the characters are done. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start creating our image and video prompts. So first of all, we'll convert this story into images. We'll generate images first, and then we can later on convert those images into videos, and finally edit them together to create one single video. Okay, so that's the procedure that we always do. So for the next prompt, I'm gonna go ahead and type in that I'm going to tell the whole story to Google Gemini. Now I'm going to go ahead and generate this story. So I'll do it with two steps. First, generating images, like breaking down all the scenes that are present in the video, and then converting them images into videos. So now kindly go ahead and analyze the story, then generate me image prompts in JSON format and all that information. And don't worry, you guys, if you want these prompts and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and provide you in a separate Google Doc. You just have to comment down below, and I'm gonna go ahead and provide the link of Google Doc for you. And also, if you have any video suggestion, if you want me to work on any video of your choice, you can definitely DM me on Instagram as well at aizenstudios.yt, or you can comment down below as well. But if you DM me, that would be better because I always respond to Instagram DMs, okay? So yeah, once all of our image prompts are ready, so now we're gonna go ahead and start by generating images one by one. So for generating images, we're gonna go ahead and open a new chat of Google Gemini. Simply click on plus over here, click on create image, and now we are ready to generate images. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and copy my first scene, first prompt, simply paste it right over here, just like that. Click on submit. Okay, so for that, it's going to go ahead and basically, generate this image for me, which looks really good, which now we definitely can go ahead and convert this later into a video. And similarly, I went ahead and do exactly the same for rest of all of my prompts, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and up to scene 13. Okay, so these are all the images. So this is scene 2, as you guys can see. Then you have the scene 3 right over here. Then we have the scene 4 right over here. Then we have the scene 5, and similarly we have all the scenes right over here. So now once all of your images are done, simply need to go ahead and download all of them one by one by clicking on this download button. Okay. All right, so once all of your images are downloaded right over here, so the next step is we need to go ahead and convert these images into videos. And you guys know it's really hard to find nowadays to convert images into videos with a free tool. So don't worry, you guys, I have quite a method for you. So if you want to go ahead and do that for free, you can definitely use Google Flow. And how you do that, because Google Flow provides you 50 credits every single day for one account, and its video generation is really cheap. Like, you know, the maximum seconds, the maximum duration video only takes like 15 credits, which means you can create 3 clips with one account. And let's just say if you have 4 to 5 accounts, which normally every other person has, so then this means you can create this kind of video by using 3 to 4 accounts without any problem. Every single day your accounts refreshes from 0 to 50, like no matter you use it or not. Okay, so in Google Flow, I'm gonna go ahead and simply click on new project, start by uploading your videos, like your images, sorry, inside of Google Flow. Like, let's just say I start by uploading 3 images, because I'll be generating 3 inside of that. And then for the settings, you have to do these tweaks. Click on video, click on ingredients, click on 9 by 16, click on 1x, Omni Flash, and 10 seconds. That's it. Okay. And then for the prompts, it's really important. For the prompts, what you have to describe is you need to go inside of the same chat where you generated image prompts, and then you have to say, now provide me all the video prompts of this again in separate tabs with dialogues and everything. Make sure the dialogues is in Black Hood language and no background music and sound effects. And later on, I also told Google Gemini, don't use swear words, only Black Hood language. Okay, so now we have all the prompts ready for us for the images that we just generated. So now we can basically input these prompts inside of Google Flow to generate our videos. Like I'm going to show you in a moment. I'm going to simply copy the scene 1, like video prompt 1 for image 1 that we generated. Okay, go inside of Google Flow, paste it right over here, and this was our image 1, right? I'm going to simply drag it to add ingredients, and now simply click on submit. And similarly, you're going to do exactly same for the second video prompt as well. Like this was my second video prompt. Copy this, come to Google Flow again, paste it right over here, and this was our image 2. Simply go to add ingredients, do it exactly that, click on submit, and similarly for that. And then after a few while, Google Flow is going to generate videos for you without any problem. Let me just show you the first one.
Yo, Pops, I ain't trying to be no mosquito no more, fruh.
The heck? This is a Mosquito household only. Don't ever bring that goofy mess to this table again.
Yeah, that turned out really good. Let's just take a look at the second video.
You better clean that bogus-ass thought out your head, youngin', or I'm kicking you straight out to the streets.
Pops, chill, please. I'm just keeping it real.
So yeah, you guys can see, you know, it's like same voice and everything. How does this happen? It's all due to JSON prompting, because JSON prompt defines your prompt really well. It tells everything, like, you know, the father, the teen, and then we have the audio settings and everything. So that's the reason the audios come out really perfect. So that's why I always prefer, if you're using Google Gemini or Google Flow, always go for JSON prompting, because it's really effective, you guys. Okay, so yeah, once all of your videos are done, as you guys can see, I generated 3 clips in this Google account, then I generated 3 clips in this Google account, then 3 clips in this Google account, and at last, you know, a single clip in other Google account. Okay, so these are all of my scenes done. I can simply go ahead and download all of them one by one with the help of this download button in 720p. Okay, so once all of my videos are downloaded with me as well, then we need to go ahead and start editing them together. For that, you can use any editing tool of your choice. You use CapCut, you can use Filmora. I prefer using Filmora because that's easy for me. I simply went to Filmora, start by uploading all of my clips right over here, dragging them to the timeline one by one. That's it. No more complex editing required. That's only you have to do. And then simply just inputting the background music. That is the most famous one for these kind of videos, which is this. So yeah, obviously you guys must be familiar with this background music. Really funny, and you know, It's really going viral on TikTok. So yeah, that's the background music. And if you want the link for that, the YouTube link, I can also provide you the YouTube link of that as well. If you want that, just comment down below, okay? So yeah, once all the editing is done, simply need to go ahead and click on export, and let me show you the final output.
Yo, Pops, I ain't trying to be no mosquito no more, fruh.
The heck? This a Mosquito household only. Don't ever bring that goofy mess to this table again. You better clean that bogus-ass thought out your head, youngin', or I'm kicking you straight out to the streets.
Pops, chill, please. I'm just keeping it real. Man, forget all that. I'm hitting up the doctor tomorrow and flipping the script to be a B. Ain't no way I'm staying a sucker. Doc, I gotta get this surgery. I need that B drip.
This operation ain't no joke. You could end up messing your whole life up.
Pops, sign this paper real quick so I can get converted to a B.
Heck nah! Is you crazy? Take this foolishness and get it out my face!
I'm signing this mess myself, freh. Pop's gonna see who I really am when I come back. Here, Doc. Got my old man's sign-off. Time to make it happen.
All right then, head straight down to the OR.
Last chance to back out, fam. Once we start, ain't no turning back.
Man, quit playing and do the surgery already!
Yo, Pops, I'm back! Check out the new drip!
Get on out of here! You ain't no son of mine! Get your fake-ass B-self out of my house forever!
All right, so there you have it, guys. This was the easiest and the free method you can create these kind of mosquito videos, like AI fruit videos, mosquito version, obviously, without any problem, without paying a single dollar, without spending a single dime. So yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for future content just like this. If you have any suggestion again, you can comment down below. You can directly DM me on Instagram at aizenstudios.yt. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.